that you believe that. Now, I want you to take this moment, savor with me what we have, and pledge to become involved in your community, your government, your surroundings. We must not become spectators to our own destiny. I hope today we have stirred something in your heart and soul and made you feel proud of who you are and proud to be an American. Ladies and gentlemen, we are Tora Tora Tora! Ladies and gentlemen, the Commemorative Air Force is an organization of thousands worldwide committed to the preservation of aviation history. We welcome you to visit one of the finest aviation history museums ever created in Midland, Texas, celebrating more than 150 aircraft used in the period from 1939 to 1945.